were cute.
Well, that's what I mean. And look, the dog's going okay. He laid on the dog like that a little while ago, and he's like, put his feet on Scrappy's back.
Take it.
No, I already took some.
Take that one right there.
No, it's a video.
Oh.
He's so old, isn't he?
Isn't he sweet? Aren't they just precious?
I like how your dog is just...
I know. The dog's getting really hungry, but it's alright. I'm going to let this kid lay on me till his bottle's empty.
Oh.
Then somebody will feed me later.
He'll want to give me some more French fries.
No. He likes the red.
Yeah. I don't want him pissing my skin. Shane.
Hear him up, buddy.
Look, he still got the pillow on his back like a turtle. Like a fun. Laughter.
I do in the bath after you pass by.
He's already excited to have his socks off. Are you kidding me?
Doggy.
Yeah. Doggy.
Oh no, Shane, don't.
Dog's going down, man. Let me down. I gotta pee.
Beautiful boy.
Give me the pops. That's a see. Look, I taught him. Rub him real nice. Real nice. Look how sweet he is. Yeah. Puppy lay with you.
Aww.
Puppy lay with you.